Yes sir, Rise and Grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 05 Honda Accord 2.4. We're going to be changing out the starter on it. It's up under the manifold. We got to take this manifold off to get to it. You got to use starter from the junkyard. Also, I'm going to throw in a knock sensor while we got that intake manifold off. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
You want to make sure you remove your battery terminal. Get that ground wire off. Got 2 10 mils. Move that cover. And you can see we got our bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total at the top. And got a bracket down here. That right there, that bolt. Gonna have to hit that and get that bracket loose. And I'm gonna run through it and show you what I took off. Alright, show you what I got so far. Took off that hose, pliers, this connector, this 10 mil. Get that away from the intake. Remove it from here, that clip. That right there is connected, disconnected. And we'll remove it from right here. Get all that free from the intake. I don't wanna remove these hoses or nothing. So what I'm gonna do is just let that intake just come open so I can get down in there. Alright man, so this is what I end up doing. Alright, we got all of the bolts undone except for this one right here. Stripped out. It's rusted. These 2 bolts up here was so rusted, I ended up getting that one off. See, almost stripped it, but came loose. So I don't got no time to mess with that, man. See what we got going on? This long extension. And then I got another extension. And then I got a swivel with my socket on it. That's gonna get it out right there. That's gonna do the trick. And my plan is to get it from below, which I already got the bolt out right there. Got that out. So what I did was took off the bracket. It's attached to that stud and that hole down there. The bracket right here, so it go like that. That's the hole at the bottom, and the stud go on the top, and that hold the manifold in place. So it feel like I got enough room to get that out, so hopefully I can get it out from the bottom. We're gonna see. That's our bolts, both of them. It's the bottom and the top. Now this was hard coming out. I can see we got some stripped threads in here somewhere down the line. Hopefully it can go in with no problem. But it was hard as hell coming out. This is why I try to avoid cars that's rusted from up north. Look at these bolts. Rust. All of these components, all of these just rusted out. It just makes the job hard. This job not that hard, but get scars from it. All because of the rusted bolts. Alright, so that worked. Make sure you take out the knock sensor, the connector, because that is connected to this. And remove that right there. Get that right there, that connector. Undo that, and it'll remove this wire harness from the starter. Now we're gonna go ahead and take out, I think should be a 13 mil. This sensor right here, you just pull that out. Alright, so that was a 12 millimeter. And now we can pull that on up and out. Make sure it's the same thing. Look the same. Gotta disconnect these, because at the junkyard all they do is just cut and go. They don't worry about no connectors or none of that. It's that knock sensor. That's what it looked like. And it is in there, right there. So alright, we got the old one out. This is what I use, a 1 and 1/16. And it's a 1/2 inch socket. And a 12 point. You don't have to be a 12 point, but that worked. Alright, going in, reverse order. Got those connected. And knock sensor installed. Go ahead and hook everything up. Make room when you're down here for that bottom bolt. Take that out. 10 mil holding it in. Alright, that's what it took for me to get this done. If you're liking the video, if it helps you out, man, give a video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Hey man, another video for the books. Another repair. Till next time, man. The Pull Up King.